Hello again. Thank you for joining us again. Hopefully the signal's going to be a bit better this time for us all because I'm filming Karen at the studio. So thank you so much, Catherine, for your last design. And I know Catherine actually went ahead and refilmed it so that if you missed it and you want to see it without the blips of the Wi-Fi, then it's now going to be up on our website, on probably Instagram and Facebook. So thanks, Catherine, for doing that. That's really kind of you. So I'm going to introduce you to Karen Taylor. She's one of our tutors at the Academy, and she teaches the level 2, and she's going to be starting to teach the fast track course in August, July and August. So I'm just going to transfer the screen over to her somehow. There we go. And Catherine's back on. Hi, Catherine. Thank you for saying hello. And here she is, Karen. Hi, Karen. Good morning. Thanks for coming up to the studio.
Lovely to be here.
Oh, great.
On this wet day.
I know. Oh, it's wet now, yeah.
Yeah, raining.
So you're going to show us another style of windowsill design, and I have to say it is looking stunning. Look at that, everyone. Isn't it amazing? It's beautiful. Do you want to talk us through what you've done?
Yes, this is actually quite a simple design to do. So I started with this Oasis frame here. So this is the nature base. So although it looks like it's plastic, it's not. It's made of sustainable material, and so it does biodegrade. And the Oasis biodegrades about 51% over sort of 360 days, and then it increases up to about 3 years when it should about 95% biodegrade.
Good, it's good
So
news.
I took this one and I looked at it and I thought, what can I do along the windowsill? I initially thought I was going to make a parallel design. And then I saw this in the garage and I thought, no, I'm going to get my husband's saw out, which is what I did. So I sawed across half and half like that, so it's split. So if I do this, you can see it's in 2 halves there. And I haven't actually fixed it at the moment, but I did put some kebab seals in there, 2 prongs, which would lock it together. And you can also glue it, and you could tape it as well if you want to. But the reason why I didn't do that is because I've got this sort of wandering Hogarth curve here, and I just wanted a very natural sort of fence grass design. So it's not it's not used a lot of materials. I've got some lovely heuchera leaves here. These are from my garden, the green ones here. I think they're called Madison. I do have Indian Queen in there as well, and a marmalade one, which is absolutely gorgeous. I love Sweet William. Never used to as a child, but Sweet William and hydrangeas is one of my favourite flowers, and they're so good to give a textural base and a bit of depth to this design. So I've just snipped those off quite low and just dotted them in and out with also the heads where they've not got the flowers, so they look a bit mossy in there, and again that just gives it a really nice texture. So that's what I started with first. I soaked the Oasis ring in 2 halves in a big dish, and the easiest way of doing that is to gently let it down into the water and soak, and then when it gets heavy you can flip it up, lift it around, and then just take the edges off so that you get that nice bevel. And then I've tried to keep the Sweet William on one level so that, as I said, gives it a nice base to it. And then the next thing I did was came through with this grass, and this grows in my front bed here. And this is Red Baron. It's got these beautiful red tips on it. It does die down at the end of the year. You can chop it back. It looks like it won't grow again, but then all of a sudden it shoots. The only thing is my cat, John Snow, absolutely adores it, and this morning as I had this by my front door he was chomping away on it, so I had to remove a few bits and pieces, but he does like to get in on the act. So I just stepped it from side to side so that it wasn't just through the middle, so it gave a bit of a corridor so that you could look through the design. And you can see, you can just thread it through your flower base like so. And just, so I work from front to back as well. Just making sure I've got the even placements there. And then once I got the red baron through, I then went and snipped some of my lavender. I think this one's Augustifolia, this one. It's very leady and it's gone completely flat in my front garden. It's just sort of like hanging over, but the scent is wonderful and the bees love it. So I came through, that's my next height. And then this, I think you'll probably recognise, this grown along my curb. And I will say that Tina, next door, Plant Tina, gave me the name and I've forgotten it.
Should we shout?
Yeah.
Tina!
Let's put Tina on the spot. So I'm just going to...
She's next door, she can't hear me.
She's working on a beautiful...
What was this one? What's the purple one, Tina?
Tina,
Oh, thanks.
yeah, that's all right. We just thought we'd put you on there.
Here's Tina. This is Tina Young. Hi. She's
I'm not
prepping.
going to get away with Queenie because Plantica, some bear with me, I'll double check it. I'll be back.
She'll be back.
As you were.
Okay, thank you very much.
So with this design, I've got the most lovely cornflowers, Centuria. This is the local one, so I've got this from the local farm shop, which is super. And just sort of thread it back through. I didn't want to take lots of flowers down the bottom because I think the stems on the red baron make a nice screen and it leaves it nice and open. And so just the idea is I will work from side to side, but I could come round just sort of thread a few more flowers in there for you to...
It's such a beautiful design. The fact that you've got the depth, so where I'm looking at it here, it's pulling out forward and then it goes back. And I don't know whether you can see it so much on the shoot, on the film, but the fact that it curves in and out is so gorgeous. Hello, have we got a name?
That's a beautiful purple loosestrife you have there.
Say that again,
Purple loosestrife is the common name.
Yeah.
Are you going to ask me for the full Latin name?
Maybe.
While we're live?
Yeah. Go and look research. There you go.
And actually this,
Oh wow. That adds brilliant. That little full stop at the top just gives a bit of height through, doesn't it? Which is lovely.
Yes, and this Astrantia here.
I love Astrantia.
So she brought this in for me. She said she's given me 4 pieces. So
Only 4 pieces.
Only 4 pieces. So I'm using it very sparingly. So again, just to sort of step it through the design. And the nice thing about this design is you can work from front to back as well. It's important that you set the flowers through so that you give really good depth to it.
It feels like it's a little water garden. It could.
It's like the lily pad leaves on the bottom.
Yeah, something
sort of,
very tranquil about it.
Yeah, and it's got nice movement as well, hasn't it?
Yeah.
And the lavender smells gorgeous as well.
Yeah.
So that's perfect. I haven't covered the base. And the reason why...
Oh, hold on a minute. She's probably going to forget it any second. What was it?
Salicaria? Salicaria.
Thank you very much.
I just call it Sally from now on then.
Sally. It's got a new name. Thank you very much, Tina. So, yes.
Yeah, I was going to. First of all, I thought I'll rope it.
Yeah.
Something nice and natural looking. And then I thought, I went and pulled out some of the centres of a pampas grass, which they curled round and they're dried in light tubes. They look great. And I had the most lovely little curly bit, as you can see here. And then that was only the one bit that curled. And the rest stayed in solid tubes. So I think I'd have to be a little bit more picky.
Yeah.
But I was just using that to help cover the base. But I think because it's got this slightly polished and it's got markings on it as well.
I don't think you need to cover it.
No, and I didn't
It's
want
not like
to
the old green
distract.
ones, is it?
Yeah, from the design there. So
Wow.
I bought peonies to go in there. They are too big, so I'm just going to enjoy those.
And it's a good observation, because if you hold up the peony, Karen, to show people that if you have something a little bit too heavy in the design, it's too it's such a delicate flow of lines. I mean, it's got direction upwards, and suddenly putting a big full stop in there is too hard a focal flower. So really the focal in this design is the base, which is the grounding area. This is grounds us. And then we have like a release of beautiful lines that pop out, that give us a beautiful direction. And you've got to be really careful that you don't put full stops like this flower beyond the points, because if you do that, you create a solid top, and this design goes up. It's a parallel design, so the line should go up into affinity. And I always say down to Australia.
Oh yes, or New Zealand.
Or New Zealand. This is where Karen's just got back from.
Yeah, just in the nick of time.
Yeah, before lockdown. Yeah. So, there we go. That is absolutely stunning, Karen. So in a minute...
I'll just face it a bit more.
Yeah.
Just to show you that. I mean, because I haven't joined it together.
Yeah.
You know, you could have a full circle.
Oh, wow. That's stunning.
You could have it...
A broken line. Yeah.
You could have it in...
It's so versatile. OMG, who knew?
Round the other way. I've forgotten which way I started now. It could be round the other way, and you know,
like two crescents. Yeah. Oh, it's so versatile. I mean, yeah, absolutely stunning. Perfect for a window, because with windows you want to see through. So the design I made earlier, I did a semi-crescent so you can see through it. And parallel designs are perfect, because if you have anything too solid in a window, you don't see the flowers, you just see the holes in there because the light shines through. So in a minute we will pop that in the windowsill and take some photos. But I'd like to say thank you very much. First live session. Deep breath, and it's over now. So I'll just go back. And there you go. That was fun, wasn't it? So come back and join us again at 1:30, where you're going to be meeting Tina again, who's going to do a planted design. So thank you so much for joining us, and hopefully see you at 1:30 with your sandwiches maybe. And yeah, see you soon. Bye.